Taking that champ has been killed. Perhaps composition.
Why do you have to take a high-risk match to a stadium like Police Circle, where there is an inadequate security? And you see, there is no arrangement, there is no seating arrangement. In fact, it was just lucky that we didn't witness a stampede. That is one way of making sure that if you involve fans, if you involve all stakeholders, they'll tell you this match is Police Circle is a no-go zone for FC Leopard match or Gor Mahia match.
Go to the modern world, fans are being given civic education. Matters safety in the stadium, fighting hooliganism, fighting drugs, fighting anything that is negative towards that beautiful game. These guys have killed by making sure that they don't involve Kenya Football Fans Federation.